Very warm and pleasant good morning to all of you. Dear students, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about uses of air. As you all know, oxygen is one of the important component of air. So, oxygen present in the air will use for breathing. All living things breathe in air to get oxygen. When we breathe in air, the oxygen from the air is absorbed by the blood and taken to the different parts of the body, and carbon dioxide is given out. Same way as oxygen is used for breathing, oxygen is also be necessary for burning. For this, we'll have to just perform one small activity which shows that air is necessary for burning. For this activity, you need a burning candle and two different size glass jars. So what you have to do in this activity, you just take two burning candles and two bell glass jar and put that bell glass jar upside down on the candle. What do you observe in both the cases? In small jar, the first of all the candle stops burning. This shows that why this candle stops burning in the small jar, whenever the whole oxygen present in this jar is be consumed by the burning candle, then when the oxygen is not be left more in the jar, then this stops burning. But the jar that is contain more oxygen, in that the candle remains burning. Okay, so this shows that the oxygen is necessary for burning. So you can perform this activity at home in the presence of any of your elders. After oxygen, now we'll discuss the most abundant gas present in the air is nitrogen. So nitrogen provides nutrient. All living things need nitrogen for making proteins, but they do not take it directly from the air. Plants get nitrogen from the soil, animals get it from plants. So nitrogen is also used to make fertilizers. These fertilizers are added to the soil, which help in the growth of plants. Except this, nitrogen also used to control fire. Nitrogen gas does not help or support burning. In fact, nitrogen helps in controlling fire. If there were no nitrogen, even small fires would become uncontrollable. As you read in this chapter, that oxygen is necessary for burning, and the nitrogen that is also present in the air that helps to control the fire. Carbon dioxide that is present in the air 0.03%. Carbon dioxide is also one of the important gas of air that is used for photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide present in the air is used by green plants to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. During this process, oxygen is given out. So this keeps the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere constant. The one very important fact about the uses of air, that air also contains water vapors. Water vapor from water bodies evaporate to form water vapors in the air. The other gases in the atmosphere do not have direct importance to living things. For today, it's be done. So next we'll start with the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day all.